guys is you need to create an account for yourselves on Quora. So you'd come on here and you'd create a profile for yourselves. Then what you need to do is you come over to this symbol over here, and what you need to do is you need to come over here, you need to click onto Ads Manager, and you need to create an Ads Manager profile for yourselves. Once you've created that and you click onto that, it's going to take you over to a page that looks like this, where you can create one of these sponsored posts. And I want to walk you through this entire tutorial, show you exactly how you can do that and how you can run these sponsored posts for pennies, guys. Like, this is not going to cost you a lot of money, but there's a trick to this because you can get people to sign up and get reoccurring commissions over and over again. Okay, this is what all the people that make a lot of money online with affiliate marketing are doing, and I want to show you how to do this. So before we go over here and before we create any one of these sponsored posts, what we need to do is we need to get an offer, and the best offers, guys, are the ones that have reoccurring commissions. So what you can do, guys, very easily is you can go over to